This little Bachmann has been the biggest surprise of any locomotive I've gotten recently. It's the Bachmann N-Scale Siemens Charger ALC-42. This video is brought to you with support from Trains.com. Trains.com is a fantastic source for new and used model trains and accessories. As a special offer to my subscribers, you can use the promo code JimmyDIY to get $10 off your order of $50 or more. You can check them out at the link in the description. Hey everybody, my name's Jimmy. Welcome to Coffee and Trains. Today I'm just drinking some more of that store brand coffee. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and have it featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your name pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Cheers, guys. The Siemens ALC-42 is one of the variants of the Siemens Charger family of diesel-electric passenger locomotives. The ALC-42 is used by Amtrak for long-haul routes. They're powered by a Cummins QSK95 diesel engine that can deliver 4,200 horsepower, hence the 42 in its name. Amtrak bought 200 ALC-42s, with 125 being the ALC-42 and 75 being the ALC-42E variant that can run in dual power mode. Let's take a look at the model. The model has loads of detail that really make it stand out. Plus, it has a TCS wow sound decoder, which is something that we don't often see in N-Scale. It has multiple light features. A Keep Alive, which is a capacitor that will keep the engine running over dirty track. And here's the thing that really impresses me: the sound.
Function page 2. Function page 3.
May I have your attention, please? Now departing on track 4, northbound train number 174. Last call for train number 174 on track 4. All aboard!
I know it's weird, but I really love the whoosh by sound effect, and it's got a little bit of the Doppler effect on the horn on some of them. Another thing that it has is some easy to switch momentum features.
Switching momentum. Main line momentum.
Honestly, I did not expect to like this locomotive this much. When it comes to N-Scale, I don't really expect this many features. Let's take a look at this engine running around my layout. This is a great little engine and already one of my kids' favorites, and you'll be seeing more of this one in operating sessions. Klondike's is a family-owned business that makes N-scale T-track modules, mini diorama kits, and N-scale display stands right here in the US. You've seen me feature many of their modules right here on this channel. Check them out at the link in the description. ScaleTree.com makes hero and forest trees for HO and N-scale. They also do custom trees for custom orders. Check them out at ScaleTree.com. If you want to see more reviews of locomotives, you can check them out right here. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.